Hi, and welcome to a new season of All Things Tax. In this season, we'll be discussing the objectives and advantages of income tax planning, how to calculate your taxable income, and how you can start planning your taxes. First things first, what exactly is tax planning? Tax planning is the process of organizing your finances in a strategic manner to minimize your tax liability while remaining compliant with the tax laws. It's about making informed financial decisions throughout the year to optimize the tax benefits available to you. तो टैक्स प्लानिंग क्यों ज़रूरी है? फर्स्टली, आप टैक्स प्लानिंग से अपना टैक्स अमाउंट लीगली रिड्यूस कर सकते हैं ताकि आप अपने कमाए हुए ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा पैसे अपने पास रखें. सेकेंडली, टैक्स प्लानिंग से आप अपने टैक्स एफिशिएंट इन्वेस्टमेंट्स एंड एक्सपेंसेस को मैक्सिमाइज कर सकते हैं, जिससे आपकी ओवरऑल वेल्थ भी बढ़ सकती है. लास्टली, इससे आप लॉ कंप्लायंट रहेंगे और आप पेनल्टीज और टैक्स रिलेटेड इश्यूज से दूर रह पाएंगे. नाउ दैट वी नो द ऑब्जेक्टिव्स, लेट्स डेल्व इनटू इट्स एडवांटेजेस. First and foremost, income tax planning reduces your tax liability. How, you ask? Planning your taxes well entails taking advantage of various deductions and exemptions that can significantly lower your taxable income. Secondly, it could improve your cash flow. Once the tax burden is reduced, your in-hand income could eventually increase. This can be used for savings, investments, or to achieve your financial goals. Thirdly, it helps in the growth of your investments. Planning your taxes effectively helps you incorporate tax-efficient investment strategies. By investing in tax-saving instruments like ELSS, PPF, or life insurance, you would not only save taxes, but would also be giving your money a chance to grow and compound over time. Fourthly, tax planning helps plan your retirement. By utilizing retirement-specific tax benefits such as contributions to a provident fund or national pension scheme, you can create a substantial retirement corpus and ensure a financially secure future. Lastly, it safeguards you against penalties. If you fail to comply with tax laws, you might end up in legal trouble, which can result in hefty penalties. Planning your taxes helps you stay on the right side of the law and avoid potential pitfalls. और इस तरह टैक्स प्लानिंग की मदद से आपको काफ़ी फ़ायदा हो सकता है. हमारे अगले एपिसोड में हम आपको टैक्सेबल इनकम और उसकी कैलकुलेशन के बारे में बताएंगे. तो मिलते हैं अगले एपिसोड में.